For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a dog grooming business is an exciting venture that combines a love for animals with entrepreneurial spirit. The grooming industry continues to grow as pet owners increasingly prioritize their pets' well-being and appearance. Using free AI tools can help you streamline your planning, marketing, and operations without heavy upfront costs. This step-by-step guide will walk you through launching your dog grooming business with the help of AI, including suggested prompt text to maximize AI utility. Step 1. Research and define your business idea. Begin by understanding the dog grooming market in your area. Use AI-powered search engines or tools like ChatGPT to gather information on competitors, customer preferences, and trends. Ask AI for insights about the local demand for grooming services, popular grooming styles, pricing strategies, and any legal requirements or certifications needed. Example prompt for ChatGPT. Provide a market overview for starting a dog grooming business in your city/state. Include common grooming services, average pricing, and any necessary certifications or licenses. This research will help you shape your unique value proposition and identify your target customers, whether you want to focus on basic grooming, luxury services, or mobile grooming. Step 2. Create a business plan. A well-structured business plan is crucial for success. You can leverage AI tools like ChatGPT to draft your plan quickly. Input details about your services, pricing, target market, and financial projections, and ask AI to organize this into a clear, professional document. Example prompt for ChatGPT. Create a detailed business plan for a dog grooming business that offers standard grooming and mobile services targeting busy pet owners in a mid-sized city. Include sections on marketing strategy, operations, financial forecasts, and competitive analysis. This plan will serve as your roadmap and can be useful if you seek funding or partners. Step 3. Decide on your business model and location. With AI-generated insights, decide whether you will operate from a fixed salon, offer mobile grooming, or a combination. AI can help by simulating different models' profitability based on local data. You might ask, what are the pros and cons of fixed location versus mobile dog grooming businesses? Which is more profitable in urban areas? For location, AI-powered map tools like Google Maps combined with demographic data can help you select an area with high pet ownership and low competition. Step 4. Name your business and design branding. A memorable name and professional branding attract customers. Use AI naming tools such as Namelix or ChatGPT to brainstorm creative and relevant business names. Try this prompt. Suggest 10 creative and catchy dog grooming business names that convey trust, care, and professionalism. Once you pick a name, AI graphic design tools like Canva can help you create a logo, business cards, and marketing materials easily, even if you lack design skills. Canva offers templates and drag-and-drop features to customize visuals. Step 5. Develop your online presence. Today, a strong online presence is vital. Use AI tools to build a simple website, create social media profiles, and generate content. For website creation, platforms like Wix or WordPress offer free plans and AI-assisted templates to get started quickly. Prompt for ChatGPT to create website content. Write an engaging homepage text for a dog grooming business that highlights quality, safety, and customer satisfaction. For social media, use AI content planners like Later or Buffer's free tier combined with ChatGPT to generate captions and post ideas. Example prompt. Generate 10 Instagram captions promoting dog grooming tips and special offers for a small grooming salon. Step 6. Plan your marketing strategy. Marketing will bring clients through your door. Use AI to devise strategies tailored to your budget and audience. Ask ChatGPT for marketing ideas focusing on digital marketing, local outreach, and referral programs. Prompt. Create a marketing plan for a startup dog grooming business with a $500 monthly budget. focusing on social media, local advertising, and partnerships with pet stores. AI can also assist with writing promotional emails, flyers, and blog posts to keep your audience engaged. Step 7. Set up operations and get supplies. Outline your daily operations, including booking, grooming process, and customer follow-up. Free scheduling tools like Google Calendar or Calendly help manage appointments efficiently. Prompt to AI. List essential equipment and supplies needed to start a professional dog grooming business on a budget. Use this to shop wisely. For supplier research, AI can help by generating lists of reputable pet supply wholesalers. Step 8. Learn and train. Even if you have some grooming skills, ongoing learning improves service quality. Use AI platforms like YouTube with AI-curated tutorials or specialized dog grooming courses that might be available free or at low cost. You can also ask ChatGPT. Recommend the best free online resources and tutorials to improve dog grooming skills. Consider AI-based training simulations or augmented reality apps, if accessible, which can provide practical grooming practice. Step 9. Launch your business and gather feedback. When you're ready, open your doors or start your mobile service. Use AI to manage customer feedback by setting up surveys or review prompts. Example prompt. Draft a polite and encouraging message asking dog grooming customers to leave a review online. Monitor reviews and respond promptly with AI-generated replies to maintain good customer relations. Step 10. Analyze and optimize. Use free AI analytics tools, such as Google Analytics for your website and built-in analytics in social media platforms, to track customer engagement and sales. Combine this data with ChatGPT to interpret results and suggest improvements. Prompt. Analyze the following business performance data and recommend strategies to increase customer retention and sales for a dog grooming business. Continuously refining your approach will help your business grow sustainably. Conclusion. Starting a dog grooming business with the help of free AI tools can significantly reduce startup challenges, enhance planning accuracy, and improve marketing effectiveness. From researching the market and crafting a business plan to branding, marketing, and operations, AI provides accessible resources for entrepreneurs at every step. By following this guide and using AI smartly, you can create a successful dog grooming business that delights pets and their owners alike. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.